Yeah, you know the vibes. When you see this beautiful face, you know it's about to be time for STENA. Big Xhosa with STENA. We are back with another episode. Hey, like I said, we've been receiving emails or WhatsApp. On this episode of STENA, we have Anele. Anele has a story to tell us. Also tell us something. She wants to make a confession. Okanye, she wants to just tell someone we am tanda. Okanye futhi shapa umdungu STENA. Anele, let's welcome you to the show. Lee, bring it in, man. Oh, Anele, my sister. Kunjani, how are you? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling excited.
Hey, excitement.
Yes.
The excitement.
Yes.
Anele, can you tell us where you're from, Sukagupi, and why are you here?
I'm from Phinda, Soweto, right? I'm here to confess something, right? But the problem is I don't love both of the guys that I want to confess to.
Oh, Batandi, but you just wanna...
I just want to confess something.
You see, us, Upper Agustina, we were like the altar of the priest. The people come and confess Izono Zabo. This is what we do on STENA. You know the vibes. Big X is chilling, and you are watching STENA. After the break, we're gonna bring one of the people who Anele wants to confess to. You know, what do you wanna confess?
That I slept with him and umganwake.
Kwaze kwamnandi STENA. I slept. Siyabuya on the second, on the break. Siyabuya after the break. Thank you. We are back with this STENA. Big X is chilling, and you are watching STENA. You know the vibes. We are back. This is in Esgaxa still abese so long. And lutu Anele ubabetha bobabini umuntu nomngani wakhe ngapha nangapha. You know the vibes. Maske siveke, we're gonna call our first guest, a boyfriend ka Anele, uKarabo. Karabo, can you come to the studio? Lee, come sis. Nazoke. Hey, you guys, you look young and lovely, but you already have relationship problems.
It's not relationship problems. I don't have a problem. It's just that sex has to be something that is exciting, not boring.
Oh, wow. So, kahle. Oh, man. Excuse my manners. Brother, can you introduce yourself?
Kamo Karab from Soweto Jabulani.
Yeah,
sure.
So, umazi kanjani sister lo?
Angihlangane
Yes, uyamoya moyezela. Umazi kanjani?
Angihlangane naye eJabulani Mall, Fede bekavaya ngama-approach uSastela, yeah. And then everything went down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, how long have you been guys together?
It's been 6 months.
6 months now.
Yeah.
Ow, Mara, you're saying you're not dating for over 6 months?
No.
6 months.
No, there is 6 months of sex and there is 6 months of dating. So
When you were just
having fun.
Oh, according to you, was the relationship serious?
I was there because of the tedious.
Yeah, it's a must, my brother.
It's a must. I need to. Yabanda, man.
Yabanda, you're my dog. So Karabo, she has something to tell you. Yabo? She has something to tell you. You have the platform.
Okay, Karabo, I'm here to tell you, Uguti, I had sex with your friend because your sex was boring. Like, intimacy was not good. Like, you can't do good things to me. Like, I need to be happy. Sex is a place of happiness, so you don't give me that satisfaction.
Jayam, I don't know if this is bad news or good news, but according to me, angaz, but sex yako iyabora Jayam. But it says yako it's minus 10 degrees Celsius. But iyabora Jayam. Iyabanda kacha.
I banned. It's just that she does not know what style is, so she can't blame me. I can't
blame you. Who should I blame? You're the one who has the dick. You're the one who has to satisfy pussy.
Hey! Hey, Buffett, the language, you the one that has the dick mina. You know, in when I speak about Mara,
yes, I may look young, but I'm older than you think. So, do you get me? I have to be satisfied. I had a boyfriend who satisfied me, but the one approach, I tried loving him, but the love was not there. I don't want to force things.
So you're basically saying, yeah, now dick. So it's his responsibility to satisfy when.
Like we have to satisfy each other, but I got that thing. You know the sauce, the spicy
but
place of it.
But the stiff from Fondini. Man, Karabo, how do are you with her or you against what she's saying?
So if she's complaining about my guitar, does she know that I was playing in a stadium?
Hey!
What the like? What are you talking about?
Like, I'm telling her. She's
okay,
right.
Your friend gave me a good dick then.
That's between you guys. That's between you guys. That's between you guys. That's between you and him.
It's not between me and him. I need to when you are with me because of the titties and whatsoever. My titties can take me places, darling. Let me tell you something. And I'm going to your other friend again if I have to.
Nice for you.
After Sky. Phinda's statement. You made me take it. What was that statement about the guitar?
She's complaining about my guitar.
Where?
But I didn't know I have to play the guitar in a stadium, like a huge.
Hi, Karabo. Summed it up and hey. Okay. Without further ado, up. Big X is chilling. You are watching. It's STENA. You know the vibes. After the break, we're gonna bring the friend. Yo, siabuye. Spin this up where you know the vibes. Big X is chilling. You are watching. It's STENA. Hey, it was so hot. I got so cold and then I had to put on the jacket again. Go show. For Karabo. Now we're gonna welcome his friend. And then hey, I can't even talk, man. But hey, the guitar was playing in the stadium. Let's welcome Umjita, another guest, where they can make the confession. Can him man? Wow, my brother. What's your name?
Karabo.
Oh. When Tombazan, Ushabo Karabo by 2. Karabo squared.
The same name, like Minamang Bizikam, I'm feeling. But ish, we are born, man, boy too, they are lacking something.
Very perfect. Karabo, actually, why you are here, Anele wanted to confess to Karabo that, no man, I've been busy with your friend. You know, you guys know each other.
Sure, don't I am.
You guys know each other. You can keep the mic to yourself, my brother. Not a problem. Ukarabo says him set up So you guys know each other. The confession is that Usisi alone. The boyfriend Yakuguti. No man. Ni nanobabi ni kondo ni busy behind his back. That's what she wanted to say. Yabo?
Sure.
Do you know this girl?
Sure.
Yamas?
Sure.
Okay. Uyini go.
Ngasho ukuthi umuntu engivibe naye so yabo
uvibe naye
yeah bengifuna ngikhalela ukushaya kuyo yabo
mawufuna ukushaya uyakuyo
sure
uyaziva ndaba
yeah iqiniso nje angiziva ndiyazazi
hi Anele ngcamisile so let me get this straight now your friend is here. Your friend has been chaperoning your girlfriend. How do you feel, my brother?
Feeling yes.
Hey. Washa psych utini?
Nyazi. Ukuthi bayasiphusha. Kahle abasipushi bayadlala.
Uyazi ukuthi the confession you wanted to make he already knows. So when you bakwenjenje Brian akutasoke
No,
Brian
listen,
Cristiano
listen,
Ronaldo
no,
wena
listen.
vele so UEFA yabo UEFA Champions League yabo wena.
No, listen. This was not in a closet or something, but we in eyaziwayo vele. Because we snacking each other, so accent value. It's a norm.
Hayi kahle baba Bukeli, I'm confused. Angazi ukuthi ubani oshaya kwesitini okanye kwenze. I'm very confused. This is beyond me. So nina bafethu niyazi ukuthi ngiyamvuthulula usisi no2.
Sure.
You know the thing. And you guys don't have a problem with that.
It's not.
Mara according to her nina nenzi ngathanazi ne.
Sure.
So let me tell you, let me just get your experience. Maske siziyeke zakhe. Mfethu. Mawu usisi lona. Uzizwa ukuphi? Are you on cloud 9 or ukuphi? Uzizwa ukuphi? Because uyakhuluma manje. This is too much for me to speak it in Xhosa. I have to khuluma. Uzizwa ukuphi?
Manje bangizuza ngisemanzini ngiyaswima. Ayinda.
You wena.
Ntombazana.
No.
No.
Biza igama lami uzizwa usemanzini. You can't call i-swimming pool ngegama ukwazi. Usemanzini uphakathi udrowna. You can't.
Karabo.
Biza igama laloyo muntu odrowna like okwazi ukukusave. So I've been saving your dick.
Mfowethu, uCloud 9 awumboni wena ubona a huge ocean.
Sure.
Uyaswima nje yami.
Sure.
Atlantic Ocean instead of Cloud 9.
Atlantic. Actually Indian Ocean ngada.
Yo. Asibuye usise kuwe my brother. You seem quiet. You seem like you are enjoying it wena nje.
Hey, yangichaza le ndaba.
Iyakuchaza.
Hayi yangichaza.
So nje yami wena usisi lona uzizwa njani?
Ngizizwa ngise-heaven. Ngu-heaven.
Hawu ndo akuthi. Uthatha kubeke.
Angithatha ngibeke.
Uvela ucinge ne problem ongenazo.
Ziphela zonke.
Even the ones you don't have ziyaphela. How does that make you feel?
Yes, that's very.
Hey, I knew Annelies
I'm
gonna
the
say
spicy, juicy ever.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey,
I'm the cookie of the world, darling.
So you seem fit. You are on your own. You are alone.
Ngiyabona.
Kum kungathi uyaxoka mfethu xa uthi iyamvuka rap karabo kwaPhinda.
Ngisezulwini, se-heaven.
Uyambona ubaba. Avuleka ndingene.
Kwavuleka masango.
See madoda. Yeah, istina kumnandi kustina. We get to confess things like this. So my sister, let me get this straight. You came to confess to him, Uba. I already know you did that. You came to confess to him, Uba. You've been babbing him. So now the boys are saying it. They already know Lord. How does that make you feel as a guy?
Doesn't make me feel anything actually. Because
Savage.
it was not in a closet.
Savage.
Bekumelazi vele ukuthi we babbing each other but we're not dating.
So bafethu nina seniyazi dayideng angizube ningena ithi friendship period is gonna be ruined or anything. It's all good. So would you like to continue nalena let triangle? Wena sis.
No, I'm leaving both of them.
You're
Actually.
leaving both of them.
Masiye yena.
Amaranja yami ubonakala ngathi uyayifuna i3 wena usafuna more?
4.
Inja yami isafuna more. So it looks like makunje nobody has been stinnered or anything. It's just vibes ne. Kumnandi.
Right.
So nja yami ufuna uqhubeka ubrother uKarabo the second ufuna uqhubekeka. Wena what do you say?
No.
So bekushaya istina nje makushayela ngaphandle kuzomela ukuthi ufumane omnye umuntu uqhubekeke nomnye umuntu. Karabo?
There's some talks I can't.
You can't do this ne?
Yeah.
Okay, you are out when you wanna go play your guitar. Awufuna idlala stadium, ufuna some. Ufuna idlalela endaweni encane.
Low key.
Low
Because
key
nedick
nje.
incane.
Eh?
Yeah.
Uthini?
Ukudlalela endaweni encane because nedick incane.
Okay, oh.
It's for the small
King X.
girls.
King X, babe.
Yeah.
Ne. They usually say a dick being small, that's natural, but a pussy being big, that's man-made.
Sivala kanjalo. Nini mvile there's no conclusion. Istina siyaphela. But a dick being small is naturally. A pussy being wide it's man-made. Andifuna uyikhumsha dayideng ingase ndiyithethe ngesixhosa. But itotoloze xa incinci. Indalo kaYehova leyo. Kodwa ke ikheke eli once lalikhulu You know the vibes. Stina, Big X is chilling. We are out. Hi, kwaze kabuhlungu.